redefining access to housing, revitalizing urban centers, restoring the environment, and reducing the impacts of climate change. In the 2021-2022 financial year, recovering smarter is the main focus.
Housing, urban renewal, environment, and climate change outlines a pathway for the country to thrive in the post-COVID era. This government, Madam Speaker, has the roadmap to renew Jamaica. Climate change threatens the very economic base on which we seek to build our country.
As a result, all projects under the country's nationally determined Contributions Partnership Climate Action Enhancement Package will be completed in 2021. Jamaica will access a $1.1 million grant from the Green Climate Fund to prepare the island's National Adaptation Plan. Testing for the pilot phase of the Local Climate Adaptive Living Facility LOCAL will get underway this year. It involves 4 municipal corporations benefiting from capacity building and financing opportunities. Jamaica will also test its pilot predictive climate risk assessment planning tool for major infrastructure areas. Work continues on a number of policies dealing with the environment, climate change, biosafety, and beach access and management. And several sites, including forest reserves, will be declared protected areas.
We're looking at the Black River protected landscape and seascape and moving towards the Pedro Keys and surrounding waters as a protected area under the NRCA Act.
In addition, a resource efficiency program within the public sector will be developed.
The program is designed to facilitate the procurement of environmentally friendly products, to encourage recycling, as well as to increase the conservation and efficiency of the utilities use within the sector.
Improved forest management has been achieved with the reforestation of over 138 hectares of land. Ground truthing and monumentation along the boundaries of the Cockpit Country Protective Area has been completed. And the $240 million Alternative Livelihoods Program targeting 46 forestry-adjacent communities is ongoing.
So far, we have planted in excess of 500,000 trees with pledges of 1.5 million trees being planted. In this financial year, we anticipate receiving pledges to meet or exceed our target.
To bolster the progress being made under the National Tree Planting Initiative, an Earth Card program has been launched, providing each Member of Parliament with 100 trees for planting in communities. Also boosting the 3 Million Trees drive is the My Tree Legacy promotion, where persons plant trees at their alma maters.
The Forestry Department will continue the implementation of the RED Plus program. This is the Reducing Emissions for Deforestation and Forest Degradation Readiness Project, a critical project funded by the Green Climate Fund.
And the island's carbon stock monitoring will be expanded to include Quashiba Mountain in Hanover, Georges Plain, Westmoreland, and the Bullhead Mountain in Clarendon.
For too many Jamaicans, the safe, legal, affordable solutions that we seek are out of reach. As a government, we have a responsibility and we are focused on ensuring that we design the framework to provide the opportunities for our people to access affordable housing.
And so, a comprehensive national housing policy coupled with relevant guidelines and regulations will be placed before Parliament. A national survey of squatter settlements is also underway, with half of the island already surveyed. And coming out of its research on the housing sector, the ministry is now finalizing plans for a $962 million relocation of the Wees Road community in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. 7 other communities are being looked at in the study. Accelerating the issuing of land titles is also being fast-tracked. A pilot project is being designed to issue the 7,732 land titles in the vaults of the Housing Agency of Jamaica.
We have initiated a project to review property accounts across the country. And in short order, we will submit to Cabinet a proposal for the writing off of smaller outstanding balances so we can put more titles in the hands of Jamaicans across the country.
11 properties costing $209.5 million will be acquired to regularize 925 households in communities across 7 parishes. The Housing Agency of Jamaica will start work on 2,301 housing units and deliver 1,560 units in the year. Plans to divest the Jamaica Mortgage Bank by September 2021 is gaining traction, with the approval of an enterprise team to oversee the rationalization. And an urban renewal policy is being pursued with the help of the Inter-American Development Bank.
If we think, act, and do things differently, we are already on our way to a renewed Jamaica. We can do this. We must do this. Our children depend on it. Our country depends on it. Our future demands it.